Okay, this is a quick video how to find out and pinpoint the problem with the Mercedes R-Class, R500 or R550, the fiber optic system. So if you don't have the sound, your problem is sitting somewhere in the amplifier. There are 3 units only in the system. The amplifier is sitting under the driver's seat, so it's accessible like this. You can just put your hand in there and get the fiber optic connector. And another 2 modules, which is you cannot find anywhere else, is sitting right here. Just put it like this. So basically there are only a few bolts. You have to remove this bolt and that bolt, and right there you're going to see 2 modules. In our case it was not a satellite tuner module, but it was the telephone module sitting right there. So once you get the seat out, the seat is removed, you can see there are 4 bolts holding it. You're gonna get the access here. So basically just pull it out, remove 1, 2, and there's 1 more screw over there. Remove, just pry it a little bit. Don't remove the whole thing because it's gonna be too much work. And you're gonna have the access to the fiber optic connector. Once you get the fiber optic connector, try to bypass. So the system goes like from the head unit. First it goes to the amplifier, then it goes to the satellite tuner, and then it goes to the telephone module. So you start bypassing, for example, make sure that the amplifier, of course, is working, and bypass the satellite tuner module. They do go bad often, and if it didn't solve the problem, bypass the telephone module, and don't forget to reset the fiber optic system by pressing on and off button on the radio, so it knows the bad unit was flat. So that's about it. Just bypass the bad unit. I already shown in the previous videos how to bypass it. You can use this connector, this loop, or you can buy a cheaper Chinese one for $10. This one is like $40 from the dealer, and bypass the bad unit, and you'll get your sound back. That's about it.